Here I have OnePlus Ace 2V, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recording. So by holding finger on this button you can access some of its settings. You can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change picture definition, you can change its frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches, and you can change video coding format. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, and this kind of menu will appear, like this one. Here you can also switch sound settings. So after you tap on the red button, recording starts immediately. So now we record our screen. You can also pause the recording by tapping here, then you can play it again. As you can see, here is like this front camera view. And by tapping on the stick icon you can save recording, and then you can find it in the gallery, in the album called Screenshots or Videos. It will be in both of these albums. And from here you can share, edit, favorite, delete your video, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.